Ever wondered why sometimes you remember information for years while at other times you forgot it within a minute? Today, we are diving deep into the realms of active versus passive learning, how to use both to create a powerful study strategy. Before we dive in, click the subscribe button so you never miss an update. Now let's get into it. So what is passive learning? It's like watching the world from a train window. You're observing, listening, and reading without much interaction. Think of it as absorbing information without direct interaction. This involves activities like reading textbooks, attending lectures, or watching educational videos. In short, you are on receiving end of information. Now let's talk about active learning. Here, you are the driver of the train. You are involved, you interact, you challenge, and you question. This includes activities like group discussions, teaching others, or hands-on projects. It's calm and straightforward. This method forces you to think, analyze, and apply, ensuring deeper comprehension. But here is the challenge. Are you actively processing the information? Or is it just skimming the surface of your brain? Let's create a robust study plan by combining these two methods. Step 1. Start with passive learning. Whenever you start a new chapter or topic, your first instinct might be to dive in head first, right? But hold on. Begin with passive learning. The phase is about scanning headings and subheadings, watching introductory videos, skimming through summary notes. It's like checking the map before embarking on a journey, giving you broad overview and sense of direction. Now let's move on to the second step. Step 2. Deep dive with the help of active learning. Done with passive learning? Now you've got your bearings, it's time to dive into depths. This is the stage where learning transforms into understanding. Engage in debates or group discussions. Use techniques like Feynman technique, where you teach what you have learned, create mind maps or quiz yourself, conduct experiments or test your knowledge with flashcards. Step 3. Merge them together. Now that you have experienced the foundational touch of passive learning and active learning, the key lies in seamlessly merging them. This is where things get more interesting. After active engagement, revisit your passive sources. With your newfound understanding, previously complex topics will now seem more approachable. Post your passive sessions, take a moment to actively summarize what you have understood, maybe explain it to a friend, jot down a quick summary, or even mentally recap before moving on. As you passively learn new topics, always think about how you can actively engage with them. Whether it's thorough discussions, teaching, or hands-on projects, ensure you're not just consuming but also applying. Give these methods a shot and let us know which one transformed your learning journey. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to ring that bell icon for more educational insights. Until our next session, keep learning and stay curious.